Hey, what's up everyone? Sagat Amang here, and today I'm going to demonstrate a Selenium based MCP server that runs the ChatGPT through your browser. So let's get into it. What you will require is a Python package manager UV. You can simply install it using these commands over here. You also require a Google Chrome. You also need a Claude desktop app. So first of all, you will clone your repository using this command over here. So let me open a CMD and paste this code over here, which will clone this repository. Then just go inside your repository like this, or you can see over here, and then you need to create a virtual environment using this command. Okay, so since we have created the virtual environment, let us also activate it. After activating it, you have to install the dependencies using this command. After you're done installing all the dependencies, you need to work on the code. So you need to just open this folder with the code, and then you need to go inside the main.py file. Inside the main.py, you will change the values of browser1. You need to put your binary location. So just letting you know, the binary location for Mac is going to be like this. For Windows, it's going to be like this. For me, it's Windows, so it's like this. Browser 2, you can ignore this. And profile directory is very interesting because if you have latest version of Chrome, then you need to copy your profile directory from the real profile directory. So this is your real profile directory. Okay, this will be your username. So you need to copy this. Since I have the latest version, I just copied it over downloads and temporary folder, and you can use that instead. Otherwise, it will give an error. It's a new feature of Chrome. So now next, what you will do is you'll change your profile. You can put it default. You can put it profile 1, profile 2. I'll put it like 5. Okay. So now after this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna install your MCP. So you're gonna type this command in your command prompt like this. So what it does is installs your this MCP server in the Claude's config. Claude's this. And next you're gonna open the Claude's config. So let me open the Claude desktop. Inside the desktop, let me go to settings and the developer. You can see our MCP server is running. Let me go to edit conf. So this is the conf that our this code just created. Okay, so let me change here. So if you look at this, we need to add these two lines over here so that this runs using our virtual environment. Okay, so you need to put your path for virtual environment. So for me, it's going to be something like this. Let me paste it. So for me, this virtual environment path is going to be like this. Okay, and why? Because this is my current directory till here, and then .venv scripts, and then python.exe is inside here. So this is how we activate the virtual environment. Now we are set, all set to go. Let me just restart this Claude last one time. Okay, and we are all set with asking the questions. So let me ask a question. Hey Claude, can you ask ChatGPT what is your name? Okay, so it's trying to use a tool that we just created, demo, and let's allow this. See, this tool is opening my Chrome, and it is typing the query by itself, and it's after getting the query gets sent back to me. See, just like that, like a magic, the response the ChatGPT gave is this. Okay, then the ChatGPT responded that its name is ChatGPT and described itself as an AI assistant. So I don't even need to open my ChatGPT. This MCP tool is itself opening the browser. It's going to ChatGPT, then putting my message over there. So here you have it, an MCP server that lets you enjoy your ChatGPT's paid version of browser without having your API. So MCP is like an API that you can plug in anywhere over the internet. So it's a pretty interesting feature. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do leave me in my YouTube channel or even in the GitHub repo. You can create an issue here and I'll just look over it. Thank you so much.